Alright guys, welcome back to Impressive Media Solutions. I am Kern Scott, and in this video, our Audacity training series, I'm going to be showing you guys how to import audio into Audacity. Now there may be many reasons why you want to import audio into Audacity. Either you did some recording on your phone and you want to merge, or you did some sort of DJ recording and you want to adjust some levels. Whatever the reason is, we are going to import audio in Audacity now. All right, so I'm working with this file. This is a Serato file. Now, when we check the file format, we'll see that it's an AIF file. Now, my goal is definitely to convert the file into a more acceptable format, but we won't do that in this video. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to import a file into Audacity. And definitely one of the benefits of working with Audacity is that it accepts many file formats. Alright guys, so we can begin by just dragging the file on top of the icon. Now, though I'm working on a Windows 10 machine, this will definitely work the same on a Mac device. And as simple as that, guys, we have the file imported. Right now, there are other ways we can also accomplish the same task. We can go to File, Open, locate our folder, and open the file. We can also go to File, Import Audio, head over to our desktop, hit open again, and we could also use our shortcuts, which is Control O on Windows. And there you have it, guys. It's as simple as that, importing audio into Audacity. All right, guys. Now, definitely all these steps will work on the Mac machines except for the shortcuts, but everything else would be the same on a Mac machine. All right, guys. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and hit that notification bell for new videos. We're going to have new videos trying to come out with new videos every week. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed, do leave a comment on what else you would like to see. And thank you for watching.